Managing multiple WhatsApp accounts but still logging in again and again? That's not scalable, and it's risky. Today, let me show you a safer and smarter way. You can manage multiple WhatsApp accounts in one clean interface. Each account is stored independently, making it perfect for agencies, marketers, and teams. One tool. Multiple accounts. Zero confusion. Once an account is logged in, the system automatically saves the session. For maximum stability and safety, only one account works at a time. This greatly reduces abnormal behavior and protects your accounts from unnecessary restrictions. Because stability is more important than shortcuts. Heavy checkmark no API. Heavy checkmark no unofficial access. Heavy checkmark real user behavior simulation. Built for safe, compliant, day-to-day operations. If you're running WhatsApp for business, time, stability, and account safety matter, this feature alone can save you hours every week and help you scale without increasing risk. That's the difference between a tool and a system. Managing multiple WhatsApp accounts without a proxy often leads to instability and connection issues. Before any proxy is used, the system automatically tests it. If the proxy fails, it won't be used. No guesswork. No wasted time. If a proxy becomes unavailable, the system automatically switches to a direct connection. Your workflow continues. Your account stays online. No manual intervention needed. We support HTTP proxies only. No username and password required. This keeps the setup simple, reduces authentication failures, and improves overall connection stability. This feature is designed to increase stability when managing multiple WhatsApp accounts. If you care about stability and you're serious about scaling WhatsApp operations, this is not an optional feature. It's a must-have. With just a few clicks, the system efficiently extracts contact numbers from your selected sources. No manual copy-paste. No messy spreadsheets built for speed and accuracy. Collecting contacts manually is slow, repetitive, and inefficient. This feature helps you extract contact numbers quickly and clearly. The system includes 2 built-in extraction methods. 4 different group scenarios. When one method is limited, you can switch to the alternative instantly. Easily extract WhatsApp group member lists from selected groups with a streamlined process. No manual scrolling. No copying one by one. Built for real workflows. Extracted members are exported in a structured format and saved directly to Excel files. Perfect for analysis. Sending personalized messages one by one doesn't scale. This feature lets you send bulk messages with Excel-based dynamic templates. Clean, flexible, and fully controlled. Simply import your Excel file with recipients and variables. Each row represents one recipient. Each column can be used as a message variable. The only required column is phone. You can choose between dynamic messages or static messages. Dynamic templates automatically replace variables based on Excel column names, with no limit on variables. If your campaign doesn't need personalization, static messages are supported as well. Messages are generated per row, based on the selected template. Every recipient receives the correct message. No mismatches, no confusion.